Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a team builder in Madden. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Team Builder option. Here, you can either start fresh with a brand new team or choose to edit one you've already created. Begin by personalizing your team's identity, including its name, unique logo, and preferred uniform colors. This sets the foundation for your custom squad. Once your team's identity is set, it's time to build your roster. You can add players by choosing from the game's existing pool or by creating entirely new players from scratch. Take control of their development by adjusting key attributes such as speed, strength, and throwing accuracy. Don't forget to assign each player their specific position and a unique jersey number to complete your custom lineup. With your roster in place, focus on strategy and environment. Select comprehensive offensive and defensive playbooks that match your team's style of play. Next, pick a home stadium from the diverse selection available in the game. You can also customize the stadium experience by setting details like the weather conditions and the time of day for your games, adding a personal touch to every matchup. Finally, save your meticulously crafted custom team. This allows you to use your unique squad across various game modes, including exhibition matches and the immersive franchise mode. Take your team onto the field to test their skills and see how your strategic choices perform. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.